Today's Bible verse comes from Psalm chapter 31, verse 24, King James Version. Be of good courage, and he shall strengthen your heart, all ye that hope in the Lord. Psalm 31:24 is a short call for believers to be strong and courageous, especially during difficult times, because they wait for and hope in the Lord. It's an exhortation to find strength not in oneself, but in God, who provides inner fortitude and perseverance through faith. This verse encourages people to trust that God will provide the courage and strength needed to endure trials and wait patiently for His timing. Here's a short explanation about this verse. Number 1. Be strong and courageous. This is a call to inner fortitude and bravery in the face of adversity, comparable to a military readiness to face spiritual battles. Number 2. All you who hope in the Lord. The encouragement is for all who place their faith and trust in God, not in worldly things that can fail. Number 3. Source of strength. The strength and courage come from God, not from oneself. It is a resilience empowered by faith and reliance on the Lord. Number 4. Application. When facing challenges, believers are encouraged to turn to God for strength, trust in His power, and persevere through trials with hope. Amen.